With you, I can be sad with you.
Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya. How are you all? Well, I'm back with another video which is things must have under 300 rupees, where I'll be actually telling you what things you should buy and they are absolutely under the budget, which is 300 rupees. Each product will be within the 300 or at 300 rupees, and ये जो सारी चीज़ें होंगी, these are the products I will be telling you. They are all already quotidian needs, like a daily basis needs, and I think everybody must have it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'll be starting with my first product, which are these chargers, and as you can see, these are from Fruity by Superdrug. Fruity, strawberry and raspberry, and cherry and almond. So these are the charger I just bought, and they are under 300 rupees. They are exactly 275 price. When you buy like 2 or 3 or more than that, they'll give you the discount. So however, I bought it in a local store. You can go and buy any of the charger online, and it's all up to you. Well, I bought it because they are so good, you know, their smell are so amazing. इतना टेस्टी लगता है ना कि लगता है कि खा ही लो. So yeah, these are the things, and I think कि आज के टाइम पे nobody uses soap, so everybody is into chargers. So here I am showing you the charger I just bought. Earlier I was using Foppers and Palmolive ka and Bath and Body Works ka shower gel. So I just switched into, you know, little affordable. So this is what I have. Can you see? And I think it's about 250 ml. Yes. So this is the first product. Let's move on to the second product. Okay, so the next product I have is already it's a very quotidian needs, of course. This is one of the famous and so popular, like Garnier micellar water, and I'm using this oil infused cleansing water, and ये देख सकते हैं आप, it's already more than half empty, and this is one of the basic need, you know. Wipes के साथ भी most of the people, even me, use, you know, wipes to remove the makeup. However, आपको ये बहुत important है खरीदना, because कितनी बारी में आपके वाइप से मेकअप क्लीन नहीं होता, वो आपके पोर्स के अंदर रह जाते हैं. सो द बेस्ट वे टू क्लीन योर फेस, क्लेंस योर फेस एंड द मेकअप विद द micellar water. And yeah, I think this is pretty much it. So this is already under 200 rupees. Well, depend करता है. ये I'm using this बड़ा वाला bottle. You can go for the small one, and it's under 200 rupees. I think it's 300 or 350 rupees something. You can go for the smaller one as well. So yeah, that's it. That's the second product. Let's move on to the third product, which is of course this one. जब आप ये खरीदते हैं, so you should have cotton as well. I'm using this cotton pads, and it's from Prima Donna. You can get it on Amazon as well. ये पैक है 100 cotton pads का 200 rupees का. 200 rupees में you are getting a pack of 2, which means 200 equals to 200 cotton pads. So pretty much good, I believe. And इसमें pour करा, and you know, you are good to go and remove your makeup. So that's it. I think this is the combination, you know, buy one and this. These are the so essential for both other products, and yeah, that's it. My sister and I, you know, are so fond of shopping, so we, you know, keep on checking what are the new things, what are the new products, and we keep on trying what is good and what is not good at all. So we ended up buying this one, which is absolutely a new product. I think Caffeine has launched, which is Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Bathing Bar. And this is how it looks like. And actually when it arrived, मुझे लगा कि, you know, lips हैं. Of course it looks like lips at all, but its fragrance is so amazing, mesmerizing. इसकी कि I can't tell you कितनी mesmerizing इसकी fragrance है. काश ये खाने वाली चीज़ होती. So this is how it looks like. It's a bathing bar. Okay, so before showing you my another product, let me tell you one thing. It's not necessary that जो चीज़ें हम बचपन में यूज़ करते थे, और स्पेशली कोई कैटेगराइजेस होती हैं कि ये नहीं, ये मेन के लिए या वुमेन के लिए. आई थिंक ये चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज आज के टाइम पे women are actually wearing men's clothes and vice versa whatsoever. So अभी जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी वो है ये it's a Johnson's baby oil. So it's not mandatory कि बच्चे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, especially for babies only. No, it's not like that. Why I bought it, I'll tell you later on the agenda of buying it, actually the need of buying it. But yes, this is I ended up buying क्योंकि ये it actually soothes your skin, बहुत आपकी स्किन को सॉफ्ट बनाता है. एंड आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ले लो, कोई भी, आई एम सेइंग वेदर बाय अ महंगा वाला प्रोडक्ट और अ सस्ता वाला प्रोडक्ट, nobody can beat this oil, trust me. Affordable, under 300, and I think it's for 195 rupees whatsoever prices changes. So before I tell you the purpose of using the Johnson's baby oil, let me introduce you the another product, which is this one, Gillette ka Venus shave, I think, and this is how it looks like. I think I already YouTube पे मैं दिखा चुकी हूँ. This is how it looks like. And during the pandemic, nobody, I think I hardly went to the parlor twice times, but I have used it like, I don't know, million times. So this has to be the, I think, the much valuable and the worth. This is the worth. This product is so worthy, I must say. If I am, you know, running errands and I'm getting late, I don't need to, you know, call parlor wali didi and, you know, book an appointment. I just, you know, go and use a shower gel on my body and just shave it, and I am good to go. Trust me, I'm good to go. And this has to be the perfect buy, and I'm so happy that I bought it. I gave it a try, and this is amazing, I must say. If nobody is using it, I must say कि use करो and try करो. This is for your whole body. You can use it, and it has a three blades. And इसके अलावा एक और है, वो है Evior का. They have 6 blades, but I am using right now this one. Now come to the point जहाँ पे मैं आपको बताऊँगी मैंने Johnson's baby oil buy क्यों किया. It has 2 or 3 reasons. First reason is कि when मैं इस पर शेविंग करती थी, शेविंग करने के बाद there is a thing कि आपको मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाना है. But before applying moisturizer, what I used is I applied baby oil. Baby oil क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी जो बॉडी, जब आप शेव करते हो, आपकी बॉडी रैशेज़ ना पड़े, कोई कट ना पड़ जाए. It actually prevents from that. And trust me, I don't have a footage where actually I applied the oil and then 15 minutes later I applied the moisturizer, and my skin was like so soft, equivalent to the baby's body, and I was so happy with the result. So I gave it a try and it's amazing. तो ये first यूज़ ये है कि इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग शेविंग एंड आप घर पे शेव करते हो, यू शुड हैव दिस वन. फर्स्ट अप्लाई ऑयल, दिस इज़ अ हैक, एंड देन अप्लाई द मॉइस्चराइजर एंड देन सी फॉर योर सेल्फ कि रिजल्ट कैसा निकलता है. सो एंड अनदर रीज़न इज़ देयर इज़ ऑल्सो अ हैक जिसके कारण आपको ऑयल अब ये यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड आई विल लेट यू नो इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो the actual usage of Johnson's baby oil. I'll actually tell you how to use baby oil in different ways. So stay tuned for my next video. So this is one, and also this is under 200 rupees. This is also under 200 rupees. So I think you must have. So move on to the next product. Now come to the point जहाँ पे मैं आपको बताऊँगी मैंने Johnson's baby oil buy क्यों किया. It has 2 or 3 reasons. फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ कि when मैं इस पर शेविंग करती थी, शेविंग करने के बाद there is a thing कि आपको मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाना है. बट बिफोर अप्लाइंग मॉइस्चराइज़र व्हाट आई यूज्ड इज़ आई अप्लाइड बेबी ऑयल. बेबी ऑयल क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी जो बॉडी, जब आप शेव करते हो, आपकी बॉडी रैशेज़ ना पड़े, कोई कट ना पड़ जाए. इट एक्चुअली प्रिवेंट्स फ्रॉम दैट. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई डोंट हैव अ फुटेज वेयर एक्चुअली आई applied the oil, and then 15 minutes later I applied the moisturizer, and my skin was like so soft, equivalent to the baby's body, and I was so happy with the result. So I gave it a try and it's amazing. तो ये first यूज़ ये है कि इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग शेविंग एंड आप घर पे शेव करते हो, यू शुड हैव दिस वन. फर्स्ट अप्लाई ऑयल, दिस इज़ अ हैक, एंड देन अप्लाई द मॉइस्चराइजर एंड देन सी फॉर योर सेल्फ कि रिजल्ट कैसा निकलता है. सो एंड अनदर रीज़न इज़ देयर इज़ ऑल्सो अ हैक जिसके कारण आपको ऑयल अब ये यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड आई विल लेट यू नो इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो the actual usage of Johnson's baby oil. I'll actually tell you how to use baby oil in different ways. So stay tuned for my next video. So this is one, and also this is under 200 rupees. This is also under 200 rupees. So I think you should must have. So move on to the next product. So the next product I have is this one. It's Encantor का romantic talc. Well, of course गर्मियाँ आ गई हैं, summer season is here, and परफ्यूम के अलावा भी हमारे को जहाँ पे स्वेटिंग होती है वहाँ पे वी कैन यूज़ दिस वन. दिस इज़ Encantor परफ्यूम टैल्क रोमांटिक. दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ अ टैल्क जिसमें बहुत फ्रेगरेंस आती है. यू जस्ट अप्लाई इट एंड डैब इट एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. आपके वो वाले पार्ट में बहुत खुशबू रहेगी. एंड दिस इज सो अमेजिंग. वी हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फ्रॉम क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम. इसके अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स हैं. रोज़ है, जैस्मिन है, लिली है, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अंडर 300 rupees exactly speaking. It's for rupees 250 rupees. So yeah, that's a worth buy. You should give it a try. Definitely give it a try and then let me know in the comment section below कि आपको कैसा लगा. और इसके बहुत अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स हैं. You can choose any one on your depends upon your preference. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So the next one I am telling you is about the lip balm. This is the lip balm. This is what I bought from Nykaa से लिया. This is how it looks like. This balm is for 85 rupees and I think it's must buy. Well, I got this gift from Mcaffeine when I bought I think 4-5 products. I think that's all you guys know कि मैंने ही buy किया होगा. The one I told you about the bathing bar. The second one is scrub and shea butter, whatsoever my daily needs product. And I got this gift as well. This is from Mcaffeine and what I bought is this one. Okay, this is a very cute coffee face mask. I don't know if you can see clearly. Anyways, and the next one I got is the face scrub. This is a face scrub, about 20 grams. And the last product I got is the face wash. Well, of course I bought so many products and I got it as a complimentary gift from Mcaffeine. However, if you want to have it, this is so travel friendly, and if you just want to give it a try कि देखूँ if it is suitable for your skin and if you like it or not, then you can definitely give it a try. It's worth a shot and it's of course under 300 rupees अगर आप अलग से देखोगे तो on Nykaa और on its website as well. So yeah, इसमें फेस स्क्रब, फेस मास्क एंड फेस वॉश तीनों चीज़ें हैं. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, this one I actually bought online when I watched video. This is a hip hop का skincare का charcoal nose strips. I wanted to give it a try, so I bought. It was for 185 rupees के 2 pack of 2 और इस एक पैक में 3 मिलेंगे आपको. And I got 6 and I got 6 in 2 packs. तो जब मैंने ट्राई करा, where you can apply in these area, in this area, this area and this area जहाँ पे of course hair है. And I think you should have it. It's so affordable. hip hop का I bought it from Amazon for 185 rupees a pack of 2, so you can definitely go check out. So the next product I have this one, which is a L'Oreal का Total Repair Smoothing and Repairing Serum. Well, of course I bought it a few months ago and I just wanted to give it a try because मेरे बाल after hair wash थोड़े से tangles हो जाते थे. So I don't want to use Live-On anymore. तो मैं ये सीरम मैंने बाय किया and I think that's very good one and it's better than Live-On. So what I did, hair wash करने के बाद आप you can apply it on your damp hair and इसकी मैंने already वीडियो डाल रखी है Instagram पे. If you are not following me on Instagram, go check out my Instagram. I have actually showed on my reel कि how to apply the serum and you have to apply it when your hair is damp. And it's for rupees 150 rupees I bought it. अगर आप ऑनलाइन देखोगे तो 120, 130, 140. Of course price fluctuates, depends. So you can go from Amazon. I bought it on Amazon. So I think I'm left with only few products, 1 or 2 products. So I'm gonna quickly wrap this up with this one. This is a roll-on. Of course I've been using it from like for like zillion years. It's been like quite ages I have been using this one, and this is so affordable. It comes in different varieties, of course, 48 hours, 24 hours, sensitive. It has a different categories. You can use any one, and of course ये 200 rupees के under आएगा. I talk about the perfumes as well. This is the, I think, one of the best perfumes, and I have already showed you in my previous videos already. This is a perfume from Miniso. It's a Snow of Windsor, and this is my third or I think fourth buy. And this is so amazing. It's also for rupees 200 rupees, and it's so amazing. So guys, that's all from my side. I already showed you my quotidian products that you should have it. They are under 300 rupees. Thank you so much for watching, guys. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you're not subscribing to my channel, go subscribe it now. I will be sharing you all my recommendations, everything. So थोड़ा सा तो subscribe करना बनता है यार. So drop the comments in the comment section below, and do let me know, guys, what kind of videos are you actually expecting to watch. And love you all. Sayonara. Bye bye.